welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, we tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Man, feel good to be out there, man, back fishing again. That cabin fever, you know, just being in the house. Man, that can be rough sometimes. It's a nice little breeze blowing. Some rain should be kicking up soon, maybe today or tomorrow, later on tonight. Man, I'm just happy to be back out here, man. Hopefully I get some, man, but you know, it's been a while since I've seen everybody, man. I'm gonna try to do a lot more new things on the channel. I'm gonna try to figure out some kind of way to make it pop a little better. But on the same note, as the fishing get better, I gotta get back out here too, though. You know, but you know, life happens. You know, things you have to do in life, man, you know. I mean, they can't just be all about fishing, but I'm definitely trying to build a brand of fishing game, man. You know what I'm saying? I just hope that you guys are down to come along, and everybody that is, you know, so like I said, thank you and God bless you. You know, because I'm definitely gonna be out there as long as I can trying to make it happen, man. You know, so I don't know how much longer any of us have to be out there, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna live and be prosperous and do what we love, right? That's what I'm talking about. So let's get it, man. That's all. I just had to say something. I just thought about talking to y'all. Fishing game. Whew, okay, man. What's happening? Cletus Clear Lake. What's up, fishing game? Man, thank you to all the subscribers, man, and anybody that's ready to get on board, man. Welcome. It's back here. He ain't left out. You know what I mean? Beginning of the year. Kind of tired, but you know what? This is the one day I can get out to fish with my boy. So we at damn Foley. We see if we can get it in. And you already know if we don't catch nothing, you might not even see a video, man. It may not be worth it. But then again, maybe it is. We'll see what we can come up with. Fishing game. The damn Foley. Beginning of March. It's winter time still, but it's a lovely day. I may be overdressed. That's all right, though. We about to get it in. Let's get it. You about ready, son?
Yeah. Hold on, let me do something real quick, man.
Something you can't do on camera?
Well, let me get everything out.
Oh, no, I'm finna get all your paraphernalia on camera, boy.
I gotta get everything out first. Perking, looking for everything.
Uh-oh. Watch out there now. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there, man. But we gonna make that run.
You don't want to
Fishing
get
game.
muddy, grubby nubs on camera.
Muddy, grubby nubs.
I do want y'all to get this though, man. This is what I use right here all the time, man.
I didn't know about Magic
Put
Strike.
it on thick, man, like it's barbecue sauce, man. You put it on real thick.
Hey, listen to the man, I'm telling you, because really, you can use it sparingly if you got a little bit. A little dab might do you, but hey, you can be a glutton. Because it don't wipe off. It's not oil-based. That right there is like that petroleum or whatnot, you know what I mean? It's thicker. It stays on your bait. The oil kind of come off when it hit the water, you know what I mean?
Best stuff. I never really read to see if it is water-based or what, man, but you don't want the oil-based fish attractants, man. The water, you know, soluble is the best, man.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. That way it'll come right off. It'll leave a big oil slick. It dive right in and it'll leave a big oil slick wherever it went to. It may have a little taste on it, but the one that stick on and stay on, you know what I mean, cast after cast, yeah, that's what you want. And that's fishing game. Cut your splashing out, boy. Every time I hear splashing, I think something happening behind me. Huh? Chatterbait right now. With paddle tail. I think it's a Z-Man. No, that was cold.
Put on one of my records, yeah.
I think it must be a slide. There must be a smooth bottom down there. Try some drop shot. Hey, hey. Come rock with this. Babe.
But I'm digging when I'm in.
Whatever technique, I'll do it. What the fish want, yeah, that's what I'll cast. Whatever they say, bass, I'll try it. Cast the impossible if I can.
God, ah, son of a bitch. There was my fish. Son of a bitch. Got him.
Come on here. Come on, come on, come on. Cletus! Cletus! He don't hear me. Trying to let the boy know I landed, finally landed the first one of the day. Doing kind of a bubba shot. I got this heavy, like 12-pound test on, and kind of heavy hook and sinker. Oh, shit, I'm having troubles here. Well, I'm gonna let this guy go. He's not really big enough to weigh, but I'm gonna let him go.
Nah, what happened?
I got one. Shit, I got him on video. It's about a pound and a half.
Who was that just now?
Just got him on the bubble shop, man. Just right there.
Oh, is that right?
So, yeah, I got it on video and shit. So you'll hear me yelling your name.
Too bad I didn't hear you yell my name. You catch it at the Tulies, or how'd you catch it? Just right up under you?
Huh?
Right up under you, or would you catch it at the Tulies, or how'd you get it? How'd you catch the bass? You catch it up under you, or you cast it at the Tulies? Oh. Okay. The old drop shot it is. At least for this area. What time the park close?
I don't think they close the gates when they say they do. I leave them out of this motherfucker when it gets dark. Man, in the summertime, I've got some big ass blow ups over here. And I've seen some big ass bass right here, but I ain't never caught shit right here, man. They always somehow escape you boy right here.
Yeah, it seemed like it'd be something over here in this little dip. Yep, blowing them clouds on in. Got him. Got him. Let's get professional. Let's get professional. Look. I'm a drop shotter, man. I'm a drop shot. I'm a drop shotter. Drop shotter, man. Drop shotter, man. Got a nice little belly on him. Wanted that there morning dawn, huh? Yeah, man, fishing game. Okay. I deserve a picture so it can get posted on some kind of something. You dig? Let's get that.
Yeah, shit, I got you and shit.
Yeah, man. Cletus had to get it in one time. It's all good. I got it on video if you come check on Fish and Game. Anglers Club, YouTube. This is a nice one, though. We at Dan Foley. We getting it in. They starting to bite when the sun go down, huh? off that drop shot. Let's get the release. And she gone, man. Fish and game. Early winter. You fool. It's early spring. Yeah.
What is it, about 2 pounds, pound and a half?
Something like that. I'd say about 2 pounds. It was kind of heavy. About 2 pounds though. At least that.
That what I hit, boy, it felt like a crappie thump, man.
I watched the little rod load up. I didn't even feel it.
Mine hit just like a little crappie thump, dude.
Huh. Yeah, I was just bringing. I was watching for the rod to load up. You know, and I would just be waiting. You know, the wind blowing a little bit. The next thing you know, I felt it go down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I made sure there wasn't no grass. You know what I'm saying? I just, you know, laid into his ass. We're using the pink Morning Dawn color.
I got this little Halloween color.
What's that, like orange or something?
Orange with orange flake with kind of a black back.
Huh. What did the speaker cut off by itself? I had to use my net, man. I didn't even want to risk it. That's what I'm saying. I ain't used on that in so long. I was like, you know what? I'm not even for the mess around and he get off or something. I'm gonna go ahead and get professional.
And you know, I know that was a lie. What you did just now. Ooh, you heard that kiss goodbye. Sometimes you treat me like I'm not your man. Yes, you do, baby. What you do to me.
You sure it was mud, nigga? Did it have that mud have corn in it, nigga? Your mud got corn in it, nigga. That was so weak. Edit that. Edit that. Oh, got it. You're making a bunch of ruckus, baby. I knew you'd be. Nah, it's a crappie. Happened so fast, boy. I don't know if I can get a chance to raise my hand. Oh man, you got flop for me.
Well, it's the ice cream man, bitch. Don't you hear the music?
Gotta be what it is. Another one bites the dust, baby. Little markings up here. Little pounder or something, I guess, huh? Fishing game, baby. Okay, I guess none. We will be good.
it will be good.
Excuse me, y'all, but yeah, it ain't nothing else cracking and it's gotten cold. So it's about time for us to go. Back to the land, back to the shore. We'll be back on the water for sure. After the storm and the rain, we'll be at it again. So until then, my friend, this is Fishing Game. Fishing Game. Anglers Club. Fishing Game. Fishing Game. Anglers Club. Fishing Game. Fishing Game. What's up, man? Look like you're ready to go. I said, what's up, man? Look like you're ready to go. Fishing Game. Dan Foley Park, man. Fishing Game. Fishing Game. Dan Foley Park, man. Fishing Game. Yeah, most definitely. Oh, that's a wet foot. Let's get that out of there. All right, man. Well, hell, we tried to pull off a little something. We got a couple of fish, man. What you think about today, man? So how did it work out for you when you first got there?
It was cold out there.
Because you was here first. So.
Yeah, I got here at about 8:15 this morning and got on the water. I missed 2 fish on Nico rigs. And then I finally got me one on, what was I using? I was using a bubba shot, man. I was using a Cinco bubba shotting. And I hit 1 bass, man. That's all I got today. But yeah, this freezing water had chased me out. You know, not even the neoprenes could handle it.
Yeah, when the sun go down, man, you're saying it goes down. Everything gets cold, you know what I'm saying? The story's told, man. But hey, I got a couple of them, you know what I'm saying? You see it, you know what I'm saying? He saw it. Yeah, he got one, so that's 3. You'll see the video when I put it together, man. Other than that, Fishing Game. I found this Dan Foley, but you know, I shouldn't be telling you where we at, because it should be a secret. But that don't mean you.
As long as you hooking and releasing, man. All of you damn bucket people, keep your buckets in your truck, man, in your car. Keep them at home.
Yeah.
Damn it.
And even if we told you where we was fishing that, they don't mean you gonna catch nothing, chump. Fishing Game.
Welcome back